My name is Michael O'Neill, and I am a patient and a client here at DAP Health. This year, I am the co-chair of the Client Advisory Board, which is meant to help every single patient and client that is here. I'm enjoying the work. It is detailed, and I'm doing the work because Desert AIDS Project, DAP Health, has done so much for me. When my husband and I came here permanently to the condo that we had here from Laguna Beach, we used every medical service that we had, and I soon enlisted in the wellness areas and programs run by Corey Lujan, doing a beautiful job of that. A few years after we were here, I guess I should tell you that I was diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer and had a 12.5-hour operation known as the Whipple. We ended up coming here because we weren't sure how much longer I might live. And to my horror, my husband passed and I did not. And for 6 months or more, I became crazed. I did not want to leave the house. I saw very few friends. I lost a great deal of weight, and the only times that I basically went out were to come here. And my doctor said over and over again, "Don't you want help? Don't you want support?" And I kept saying no, I could get through this. And one day I knew that I couldn't get through it alone. So they made a reference to Dr. Gover. And I started seeing Dr. Gover, who's an amazing person, treated me with great respect. And for months, I would come to see her, and she would allow me to just grieve. And one day she said, "What are you going to do with the 16 hours that you're awake?" I said, "What do you mean?" She said, "Well, right now your life is consumed with grief, but someday it won't be. And what is it that you want to do?" So she and I began setting out to map what 16 hours a day would look like. I happened to pull the circle out that I'd created the other day, and I rated myself against what I had said eventually I would like. Much to my surprise, I have pulled more toward what it is that ought to be rather than what was. So I cannot thank Dr. Gover enough. I cannot thank the doctors and the nurses and the wellness people here who kept insisting that I needed to see somebody, because I did. And for that, I am very thankful. And I would want everyone to know that DAP Health has amazing services, from wellness to dental to health to mental. And when you need that and you're either a patient or a client here, you're going to get that.